Okay, here is the M3 V10, and next to it we have Johan, the owner and creator. Can you have a few words about this M3?
Yeah, sure. It's more or less a standard S85 engine with a blocked Vanos system and some lower back pressure in the exhaust system. So it delivers 535 horsepower at 7,700 RPM.
So it's a bit more horsepower thanks to the locked Vanos.
Yeah, maybe not the Vanos, but it's a lighter clutch and crankshaft. And also the Vanos system delivers pressure to govern the Vanos, and that's blocked, and that gives you some lower friction as well. Small things.
And when the Vanos is locked, you have the power up top.
Yeah, it's calculated to get the maximum power output. So maybe you lose some low torque.
And can you show us what you have in the trunk?
Trunk? That's concrete.
Okay.
Want to see the concrete? Retraction?
Yes.
Okay. There's the concrete for traction.
Oh, concrete. You down here, in. And can you tell us a bit about the interior? Sparko Racing?
I would say it's more or less standard, just different seats to have better grip in the body and sit still. It's nothing special. Has a diesel gearbox instead of the ordinary gear track.
Yeah, 525 TDS gearbox. How is the gearing? When does it redline in different gears?
8,300 is the maximum revenue.
Okay. And at what speed around of the car? When you have like first gear and second gear?
I don't know really.
Okay.
No.
And what is the GPS speed on the stretch? It's like 280?
Here we're 280, slightly over 280.
And you have new brakes as well?
Yeah, it's M3 E46 CSL brake discs and Porsche E30 calipers.
And Hartka sway, or not sway bar, but race that shapes it up. And what kind of cooler do you have?
That's a re-welded American cooler from China.
Oh, American. Interesting. Okay, thank you very much.
Welcome.